I know you are here because you want to find the laziest way to make money over the internet. This video, of course, will be the video that will teach you the most laziest approach to make a reasonable amount of money over the internet. And before this particular video, I experimented this process and I made a couple over $200, and that is why I want to walk you through this step-by-step procedure. All right, but for the records, you don't have to be overly lazy to follow this approach, because if you're overly lazy, this is definitely not going to work for you. Even though you're not going to have to work excessively for this particular procedure, you still have to put in a little bit of your time. All right, so I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step procedure, and I'm going to show you on my screen, my mobile phone, how much I've made with the approach that I'm going to teach you in this video, and how you can actually scale this even to higher levels. I need you to stick with me to the very end of the video. And if you have not already subscribed, or if you're new here, I want you to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, like the video so that you can see other videos I'll be doing about make money online over here. Alright, let's get straight into it. So this is a platform that I'm talking about. I want us to look at what has happened over the last 30 days. So as you can see, there were days that revenues moved up onto $16 per day. There were days that revenues were around $18. There were different days and different revenues. Okay, there were days revenues, commissions were $2, and then I think just the same day I'm recording this video, the revenue was just $1 for the day. Okay, so every day you can make different amounts of money from this platform. And there was a day that was only 38 cents. But what is interesting is you don't have to work all through. So this was updated on the 24th of June, as you can see on my screen here. The total items shipped is 112. Total earnings is $94.52. Total items ordered is 110. Alright, the total click of 3,228. Alright, as you can see here, then the conversion rate is 3.4%. Alright, if we go here to reports, okay, consolidated summary. Alright, once we go to the consolidated report and then I look at the quarter, okay, I've accrued over here $196, and we can even add more stores to this. Alright, so all of these revenues are on the same platform. Okay, as you can see, 192. If I go back, definitely there will be some more revenues from the previous period. So let me start from, say, February or even January. So January all through. Alright, let me see the last quarter. Okay, so let's just look at the last quarter. The last quarter was just 9.54, and then this quarter, alright, this quarter is a little above 196 or so. So that's roughly about 200 and something. Okay, I'm using the phone, so it's a bit challenging. Alright, so the simple method we use here is we are going to have to get a traffic source. As you can see on my screen, I show you the amount of traffic that has gone through over the period. So we're going to have a traffic source. We're going to put the traffic to the store platform, which is Amazon.com. And this is how we go by it. Alright, so let's get on my screen and let me walk you through the procedure. We are going to get a traffic source. That is a very important thing. We're going to get a traffic source. In my case, I make use of my Facebook page. Okay, this is the page, as you can see on my screen, A Better World for Everyone. This page, from 0 to about 35,000 followers. Alright, all organic followers. And what happens, as you can see, the last one are, okay, there's been a post and it's a book. There are posts and there are books. Books. Every single one of these posts actually goes a long way to help us get a click on this link. Okay, so when somebody clicks on this link, it takes the person to the book itself on the Amazon platform. So this is a book. The moment the person is able to buy this book or add to cart, automatically we get a commission of this $14 amount from the purchase the person made. Alright, so that is how the whole thing works. You have to make sure that you have a Facebook page set up. That is the first thing. Then you have to make sure that you are consistently posting content about these books. Now, what we post in the caption here, you can see the best moment to understand human behavior It's before it happens, blah blah blah. This is a book by Robert Sapolsky. All right, so this book, we put a description, we'll put a brief lessons, anything at all. So you can just put a short summary of the book, get the link, the referral link of that particular book from Amazon, put it in the caption, okay, and then get the cover of the book itself. So as you can see, all these are books. Now, if we look through the insights, what you will see is that some of these books receive very high reactions. So the best way to go about this is to make sure you find books that are already in the market, books that are doing well, books that are being sought after. If you try to publish new books, it will not work. Make sure you go to Amazon. When you go to Amazon, find books that are already trending, okay? Books that are already doing very well, right? And then you can actually go ahead and sell these books. This format does not only work for books. You can sell anything at all on Amazon with the same format. You can pick anything at all, but I use books because they are the easiest things people want to purchase. Imagine we are getting 20% commission. That's what Amazon pays for the book. But imagine somebody buying something that is costing about $1,000, like a camera. It means we are getting $200 commission from that camera that we posted on our social media page. So all that we are doing is we are creating a Facebook page, making sure that we are consistently posting content about products from Amazon. Caption of the product have the links of this particular product from Amazon. Now, this thing that I'm talking to you about, you don't have to spend even an hour a day doing it. Every day you can post one product from Amazon with a caption. You can have videos from Amazon that you can post. You can have social media videos that talk about that particular product. Alright, whilst this is a lazy man's approach, it is something that you need to be ready to do. So this book here that I posted, you can see it has been bought by so many people, about 110,000 ratings. It means all these 110 people have actually read the books and possibly recommended to other people. So it is very easy for you to sell such a book. So you can see over the last 28 days, 1.5 million people have seen the books we've posted. So whilst it looks like there is no likes, there is no comments, people are actually being reached by these books. So you can make a reasonable amount of revenue. We've had 60,000 engagements. We've had 175 people liking the page over the last 28 days. And this should be some sort of inspiration for you. Now let's look at this post. It was published just about a week ago, or say 2 weeks ago. And this post actually received 163,000 impressions. Just for this post alone, it reached 160,000 people. And out of this 160,000 people, even if 100 of them are buying the book, of course, that is some revenue for us. So with this, you don't need any investment. You don't have to buy anything. All you have to do is get a traffic source. Copy my method, Facebook page, simple. Register an Amazon account, okay, get the Amazon Associates Central account, and then you'll be able to pick your link from Amazon. When you are logged into the Amazon Central account, if you come to Amazon, you will see grab link every time. I'm not signed in, and I'm not able to sign in on my computer because I've always been using the phone to check my affiliate account. All right, so because of that, I can't sign in, but you will be able to pick the link from here, up here, grab a link, and then that's your affiliate link for any product at all. All these category of products, even if it's automotive, you can actually use, okay, the automotive category. Any product you want to sell on Amazon, just get a traffic source. So all these are products you can sell. Okay, these are all products you can sell. $89. You are making 20% commission on it. Alright, this is real money. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to run any ads. Just organic traffic from social media, especially Facebook. Alright, this will be the end of it. Let me know your comments on this particular strategy. Let me know what works for you and what does not work. And let me know other videos you want me to talk about on this channel. And don't forget, if you want to get more content about make money online, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification, and I will catch you in the next one.